Hello friends, welcome to the LIAN channel. So friends, today I will talk about LIAN O11D EVO XL PC case. So friend, it features the stimulus support for 3x 420 editors, a height adjustable and fully removable motherboard tray, a removable front pillar, improved support for upright GPU mounting on the side fan editor bracket, and redesigned cable management and storage solution. And it also keeps the unique features of the O11D EVO with the ability to reverse the case and relocatable front I/O module. And friend, it is available in black and white at MRP of 234.99 USD dollar and 244.99 USD dollar, and it is designed with cooling performance in mind, starting with the motherboard tray and modular place that can be removed for ease of installation and can be height adjustable into 3 positions, high, middle and low, to provide better fan editor clearance at the top or bottom. And the top, bottom and side brackets of the O11D EVO XL can each support 3x for 40mm fans, 420mm radiator seamlessly for extreme cooling performance, and its radiator bracket can be quickly removed for ease of installation. And friend, the motherboard lower mode and the rear can support up to two 120mm fans. And friend, it is ideal showcase series with the removable front pillar. Without the front pillar and side fans of the front and side tempered glass panels, you can benefit from unrestricted view of the PC. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.